candy machine. Okay, so if you try to put the pusher in, no candy. No candy. So you put a quarter, push it, and then get the pusher, push it,
whoa,
and 2 candies come out.
Very nice, Bob.
And then, okay, and then I'll do it again, and push it. Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
And sometimes you have to do some shaking to get it out. And candies. Now, this is chocolate covered with like white stuff. And now I'll be showing you how to reload. So what you do is you take off the top, and there's a lot of candy in there, so yeah. So let me just, reload. And yeah, that's how you reload. And yeah, okay. Put it back on and try it again. And candy comes out.
Very cool, Bob.
And then, another candy comes out. And then, now I'll be showing you the mechanism. So first, let me just take all the candy out. There's a lot of candy. One got stuck in there. So I'll just put it in here. There.
Okay.
Now, you see, I'll just leave one for demonstration. Oh, wait. So, you put the candy in, and you can't shake it out of it. So, what you have to do is you put in the, I'll take off this part so you could see where the coin goes. So you see that gray piece in there? You just put it in the coin slot, and then you get the pusher, and the coin pushes it, and then that black piece right there is going to move, and the candy's going to come out. And the candy came out.
Try that one more time.
The candy came out.
Try it again.
Okay, now I'll be showing you it again. So, let me just push the lever back in. So, you get a quarter, put it in, and you get the pusher, and you push it, and that black piece is going to move when I push the coin. When I push the coin, that black piece is going to move, and the candy will fall out. And the candy falls out through here. Falls out through here. And that's my Lego candy machine. Hope you liked it. And goodbye.